Good day once again, everyone. No? For today, we're going to discuss about marketing analytics and decision making. So we look into, of course, a discussion about the marketing analytics, no? The data collection and preparation, descriptive analytics. We have exploratory data analysis, customer segmentation and targeting, predictive analytics, regression analysis, marketing mix modeling, customer lifetime value, A and B testing and experimental design, attribution modeling, market basket analysis and cross-selling, social media and web analytics, no, decision making with analytics, and ethical consideration in marketing analytics. Uh, we need to accept the fact that marketing analytics plays a pivotal role in the formulation of robust marketing strategies that are grounded in the data-driven insights. No? Acquire further knowledge regarding the requisite tools and competencies essential for engaging in marketing analytics, because a significant proportion of enterprises employ data, no, in order to enhance decision-making process across several operational domains. No? Marketing analytics is a component of this prevailing pattern, no? The utilization of data for the purpose of monitoring diverse marketing initiative in order to gain a clearer comprehension of their effectiveness. So this module aims to provide a comprehensive exploration of marketing analytics, encompassing the necessary tools for marketing analytics and the range of data-driven abilities that marketers, no, can cultivate or enhance to facilitate professional growth. Marketing professionals frequently utilize marketing analytics as a means to comprehend effective strategies in their underlying rationales. No? And this term pertains to the systematic gathering and examination of data that is unique to marketing activities. Collecting data on marketing activities is a valuable approach, no, for comprehending the return on investment associated with various campaigns, projects, and endeavors. Now, this may include activities such as releasing a new blog post or evaluating the effectiveness of a modified email campaign, and the data obtained from either scenario can be utilized to assess its level of success and evaluate whether it warrants replication or necessitate modifications. And to give us more details about the topic, let us all welcome our presenter. Go ahead.
Good morning, Doc. Good morning, classmates. I will be discussing the first two topics, yung marketing data analytics tools and techniques and predictive modeling customer segmentation. Next slide, Ms. L, please. Next pa po. Marketing data analytics tools and techniques help businesses make informed decisions by analyzing data related to customer behavior, market trends, and campaign performance. Next slide. Here is an overview of some popular tools and techniques used in marketing data analytics. Tools: Google Analytics, a widely used web analytics service that tracks and reports website traffic. It provides valuable insight into user behavior, conversion data, and more. Next is Adobe Analytics, offers advanced analytics, predictive analysis, and customer segmentation tools to analyze customer journeys and optimize marketing strategies. Next is HubSpot, an inbound marketing and sales platform that provides tools for social media management, content management, and customer analytics. Next is Salesforce Analytics Cloud, Salesforce business intelligence tool that explore data, uncover insights, and make data-driven decisions. Tableau, a powerful data visualization tool that helps in creating interactive and shareable dashboards, enabling marketers to understand complex data easily. Next is IBM Watson Analytics, a smart data analysis and visualization tool that guides users through data discovery, automates predictive analytics, and enables effortless dashboard creation. Last is R Studio, an open source integrated development environment for R, a programming language for statistical computing and graphics. It's widely used for data analysis and visualization. For the techniques, we have descriptive analytics. It involves summarizing historical data to understand past trends and make comparisons over time. It includes methods like averages, percentages, and visualizations. Next is predictive analytics. Using statistical algorithms and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes based on historical data, predictive models help in forecasting trends and customer behavior. Next is prescriptive analytics, suggests actions to take based on predictive analytics outcomes. It provides recommendations on how to optimize marketing strategies for better results. And next is customer segmentation, divides customer into groups based on shared characteristics. This helps in targeted marketing effort as different segments may respond differently to marketing campaigns. And sentiment analysis uses a natural language processing and text analysis to determine customer sentiment towards products, brands, or services. This helps in understanding public opinion and making necessary adjustments to marketing strategies. A/B testing compares two versions of a web page or marketing campaign to determine which performs better. It's a vital technique for optimizing elements like headlines, images, or calls to action. And next is marketing mix modeling. Analyzes the impact of various marketing channels and activities on overall sales. It helps in optimizing marketing budgets by identifying the most effective channels. Next, attribution modeling determines the contribution of each touch point in the customer journey to conversions. It helps in understanding the effectiveness of different marketing channels and allocating resources accordingly. Next is data mining. Involves discovering patterns and relationship in large data sets. In marketing, data mining can uncover valuable insights about customer behavior, preferences, and purchasing patterns. Next is machine learning, utilizes algorithms to automatically learn and make predictions or decisions based on data. Machine learning techniques can be applied to various marketing tasks, such as customer churn, prediction, and recommendation system. Successful marketing data analytics involves a combination of these tools and techniques. Tailored to the specific goals and requirements of the business, it's essential to interpret the data correctly and translate insight into actionable marketing strategies. For predictive modeling and customer segmentation, next, Ms. L, number 1. Next pa po. Yeah. The term customer segmentation and customer predictive modeling are often used interchangeably. So nagpapapalit-palit daw siya, when in fact they are different and support different business objectives. To clarify these differences and explain why both tools, not one or the other, are required to effectively compete in today's customer-centric marketing landscape. The emphasis will be on suitable marketing application of segmentation and modeling, as opposed to an overview of the differences from an analytic techniques perspective in an effort to make the concept less abstract. So segmentation and modeling discussion flow, definitions, applications, and uses cases. Segmentation and modeling definition. Customer segmentation is the practice of classifying your customer base into distinct groups. The separation of customers into unique groups is often based on multidimensional customer information, such as observed customer purchase and product usage behavior, demographic and characteristics, or even self-reported products, service preferences, needs, and attitude. For definition, predictive modeling is the practice of forecasting future customer behaviors and propensities and assigning a score or ranking to each customer that depicts their anticipated actions. As in the case in segmentation, multidimensional customer information is leveraged to identify and isolate customer characteristics that are highly correlated with targeted outcomes. Number 2, for segmentation, next Ms. L, segmentation and modeling class applications. So when is customer segmentation, predictive modeling, or both the best tool for the job? Listed below are several common applications for both segmentation and predictive modeling. Next, please. Yung common applications, yung left side, yung customer segmentation and predictive modeling. For customer segmentation application, letter A, informing short and long-term customer investment allocation decision, making customer investment decision, the future value of a customer to a business can vary tremendously by segment. Segmentation provides a framework to help identify the optimal customer investment strategy for each unique segment. For some segments, the investment may be directed towards further developing customer relationships, while other segments, the investment is made to produce new products and services that address unmet customer needs. Next is establishing customer development and management roadmaps. Managing customer relationships segmentation also provides an excellent framework to manage the varied needs of customers. Customize customer management and development strategies can develop for each unique segment. The development plan should include a set of objectives, goals, and performance metrics that are derived from the unique opportunities and challenges present with each customer group. The segment level plans function as a strategic roadmap, supporting business growth and attempting to maximize the potential of each customer relationship. Letter C, tailoring program configuration, product value proposing, pricing, channel, and message. It has become somewhat of a cliche, but it is true that successful data-driven marketers understand how to communicate with their customers at the right time, right place, and with the right message. Distinctive customer preference needs represent unique and tailored program segment. The makeup of each customer segment and their past and projected behaviors and needs should guide the tailored use of key marketing levers to maximize program effectiveness. The segmentation becomes the centerpiece supporting program development and ongoing test and learn activities. And last, for customer segmentation, letter D, guiding and prioritizing research and product development initiatives. A comprehensive segmentation solution would highlight the fact that individuals have different product needs and usage patterns. Customer in one segment may use a company's full portfolio of products quite frequently. While customers in another segment may only have a need for a single product that is used sporadically. Qualitative or quantitative research on segments that contain less active customers often exposes opportunities to strengthen and broaden these customer relationships by introducing new or repackaged products that meet a specific customer need. Segmentation provides the means to target research and product development activities with the goal of further stimulating customers' demand. For predictive modeling application, letter A is identifying targets for marketing campaigns. Identifying customer targets, probably the number one application of marketing-oriented predictive models in the selection of customer for programs or campaigns. Response modeling attempts to leverage the company's collective knowledge on each individual customer to determine if they are good candidate for a certain type of marketing program or promotion. The initial development of these models often requires in-market testing to accumulate valuable customers' response data and insight. Once collected, each customer can then be assigned a precise score representing their likelihood to respond to a specific program. It is typical for customer populations to be separated into 10 different subgroups, with each decile containing a different probability of response. Marketing professionals can simulate response scenarios and perform return on investment analysis to decide the appropriate number of customers or deciles to include in the program. Letter B, forecasting customer behaviors. Predictive modeling techniques can be used to estimate lifetime customer value as well as many other key profit impacting customer behaviors. Product purchase propensities, expected purchase cycles, aggregate spending levels, customer loyalty, and customer support and service usage. For letter C, optimizing effectiveness of marketing levers and support what-if analysis. Models also play an important role as companies attempt to optimize the usage of some of their primary marketing levers such as value proposition, price, channel, and media mix. For example, predictive modeling and optimization techniques are often leveraged to help companies get the greatest return on their marketing offer and promotions budgets. In order to do this, the price elasticity curves of different customer groups need to be understood so that the optimal offer can be presented to each customer. This is the offer that provides the greatest incremental lift in sales at the lowest cost to the company. As you may expect, the optimal offer can vary greatly by customer group. The more sophisticated model-driven optimization tools are generally designed to allow companies to forecast expected lift in sales under different types of scenarios. This level of insight is invaluable during the program and budget planning process. The last is measuring impact of specific marketing elements and treatments on subsequent customer behavior. In today's marketing environment, companies utilize complex, multifaceted programs to communicate with their customers. Isolating the impact of individual marketing components on subsequent customer behavior can be daunting because individuals are exposed to a variety of messages and offers through many different channels. It is common for the effect of specific marketing activities, for example, quarterly versus biannual newsletter on consumers' behavior to be overstated or understated because the impact of other marketing stimuli is not properly accounted for, resulting in a biased measurement. The multivariate nature of predictive modeling provides the means to measure the impact of individual marketing action on customer behaviors in a controlled manner. All of the marketing dynamics are considered in the model so that the effect of any one component can be properly isolated and measured. Many companies are turning to predictive modeling, marketing mix models to better understand the impact of advertising across different channels so that media mix investment are informed by quantitative measures of an expected yield. For number 3, segmentation and modeling use case examples. Next, Ms. El, yan. Next pa po. Yan. There are three of the customer segments are highlights. Dito po sa picture na yan. Yung naka-highlight yung frequent customers. Next is slowly and steady, and yung at risk. In three of the customer segments are highlighted. Frequent shoppers are the retailer's best customers, shopping regularly and spending a large amount per visit. For a frequent shopper segment, primary marketing objective, the customer in this segment generate the most profit for the organization. It is critical that the national retailer maximize retention of these best customers. Furthermore, the company needs to fully comprehend why these customers prefer to shop with them and leverage their knowledge in an effort to influence customer in lower performing segments to migrate to the frequent shopper segment. Predictive models can be developed to forecast customers' retention probability. In this case, two types of retention are important to understand: customer retention and revenue or spend retention. Next is yung at risk, yung slow and steady. For the slow and steady segment, primary marketing objective, cross-sell and stimulate incremental activity, integrated use of marketing analytic tools. These customers shop fairly, regularly, but do not provide the same level of revenue to the organization as the frequent shoppers. This is because they purchase from a smaller number of product categories and typically only use the in-store channel. Two sets of models could help marketers at this organization identify opportunities to increase the spend behavior of these customers: product purchase propensity models and online shopping propensity model. The objective of the product purchase model would be to identify the best cross-sell opportunities and convince more slowly and steady customer to purchase across a broader set of product categories. The online purchase propensity model would be designed to identify slow and steady customers with the greatest likelihood of using the online channel. Once identified, incentives can be used to entice slow and steady customer to begin to use the online channel, in addition to the retail outlets, creating the potential for more shopping occasions. And last is yung at-risk segment. Either the current value proposition or awareness of the value proposition appears to fall short for this group of customers. Customers in this group have spent very little with the national retailer and have not shopped online or at any of their retail locations for a long time. Conducting research to gain a deeper understanding of why these customers do not regularly shop at the national retailer would be very useful. This insight could lead to a refinement of the value proposition that causes at-risk customers to favorably change their shopping behaviors. Incentives or offers may be required to get these customers to become more engaged because this group has not contributed significant profits to the company. In the past, it would be inappropriate to provide offers that only lead to one additional visit. The goal would be to develop an offer optimization engine informed by predictive models that identifies the best offer sets for a distinct group of at-risk customer and lead to sustainable and profitable shopping behavior. This ensures that the offer investment is distributed in a way that maximizes the expected return. In addition, the development of a long-term customer value model would help determine the amount the national retailer should be willing to invest in certain at-risk customers. Having visibility into the longer term of each customer allows the national retailer to only target at-risk customers with an expected return of investment equal to or above acceptable corporate standard. That's all for my presentation.
Do you have partner?
Yes po, si Ma'am L po.
Okay.